These questions are from test 1, question 23 to 29. Let's look at question 23. In this subtraction, fill in the missing numbers in the empty boxes. So if you are getting 5, you go backwards. If you are getting 5 here, this is 6. So this plus this gives you 15. This plus this gives you 15. So we could say that must be 9. Because 9 plus 6 is 15. That means we must have borrowed 1 from here to make it a 15. We know this plus 6 plus 3 is 9. So that must have been a 10 because we already borrowed 1. So that is 10. Because it's 0, we must have borrowed 1 from here. So that would have gone to 8. We got 6 here. So the answer here is 2. Question 24. My father is 4 times as old as I am now. So that's my father. That is me. He is 4 times old as I am now, and the total age together is 45. So we're just going to do the normal ratio, that is 5. You divide by 5, so that is 9. We multiply this 9 to get my father's age, multiplied by the ratio. So my father is 36 and I am 9. How old is my father now? 36. What will be the age difference between my father and myself in 4 years' time? So let's work out in 4 years' time. So 4 years' time, my father will be 40 and I will be 13. So what will be the age difference? 40 take away 30 would be 27 years. So age difference will be 27. Question 25. What are the dates of the next 2 Saturdays following Saturday 27 June? June we have 30 days. So 27 June, if you count 7 days, 20, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4th of July. Then you count another 7 days because they were the next 2 Saturdays. That will be 4 plus 7 is 11th of July. So it will be 4th of July plus 11th of July. What's the smallest number that can be divided exactly by 3, 5 and 7? They are prime numbers. They can't go into any other. They can't go into each other. So what we're going to do to find the smallest number, we multiply all 3 numbers. So that is 3 times 5 is 15 times 7, 105. Question 27. The table shows the weekly pocket money for a group of children. Anna wants to buy a book costing £6. How many weeks pocket money does she need to save? She only have £150 a week. So £6 divided by 150. 15 will go into 64 times, so that will be 4 weeks. Or you could divide the 600 by 150. 10 will divide it, 15 will go in here 4 times. Emma saved her pocket money for 10 weeks. How much money has she saved? Emma had 75 pence each week and she's saving for 10 weeks. So that will be £7.50. You make the number 10 times bigger. 750. Who received the same amount of money as the difference between the highest and the lowest? So highest is Charlie, lowest is Emma. Highest is £5, lowest is Emma is 75 pence. If you take away, that will be £4.25. Who had £4.25? Bob. So that's Bob. Find the total pocket money of the children. You just have to add them carefully. So let's write them down neatly. 150, 425, £5, 375, 075 and 295. If you carefully add it, that will be £18.20. next page. Question 28. A cube has all of its corners cut off. How many edges does the resulting shape have? So you're going to cut all the corners. You're going to cut that corner. You're going to cut that corner. You're going to cut that corner. That corner. So you see all the corners are cut off. Same as at the bottom. Cut that. Cut that. Cut that. So this piece would be gone. This won't be there anymore. Right? That'll be all white. So how many edges? So let's look at the edges. We have 4 edges at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. On each side. We'll have 4 here as well because that's cut as well. Right? Every side will have only 4 edges. The red line is the edges. Because the corners are cut off. So each side we will have 4 edges. So we have 6 sides here. So therefore the edges will be 6 times 4, 24. 24 edges. How many vertices does it have? So the vertices are, these are the vertices. That's 1. Let's do it with red. That's 1. That's 2. The corners are vertices. 3, 4, 5. We'll have 1 here, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you think about it, we have vertices 4 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the bottom, which we can't see all 4. Then we will have on the sides, if I just rub it, show it again, because we are cutting it like that. You will see this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because this piece is gone, right? Oh, this piece is gone, that piece is gone. So as this piece is gone, this piece is gone. And goes like that, yeah? So see on the side like that. So you have 4 vertices at the top, 4 at the bottom, then on the side you will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will have 4 at the top, vertices. Let's write it down. 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom, and 4 around the sides. You have to imagine it, right? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. How many faces does it have? So now you know every corner has got a triangular face. Every corner has got a triangular face. Then you have a square face in the middle. You could see there's a square face in the middle. We have 6 sides, so we have 6 square faces, and we have 8 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 behind. So let's write it. We will have 6 square faces around 6 sides, and 8 triangular faces, right? Triangular, let's write triangular faces. Six square faces and 8 triangular faces, right? So that will be 6 plus 8 is 14 faces. Next one. The table shows marks scored in a math test by 9 children A to I. What is the mode? Mode is the most occurring. Most occurring is 75. 75, 3 children got it, so 75. Average. Average means mean. What is the mean? You add all the numbers and divide how many numbers in there. So let's divide by the number of numbers in there. So let's add it. 75, 32, 83, 75, 11, 32, 75 again, 15 and 81. If you add them together, you will get 479. We got 9 different marks there, so 479 divided by 9. 9 will begin to 45, remainder 2, bring the 9 down, 29, 9, 3, 27, remainder 2, put a decimal, put a 0, 9 will go into 22 times. So the whole number, we want it in the whole number, round it up because it's smaller than 5, is 53. What is the median? How do we find the median? We put them in the order, then you go for the middle number. So let's put them in the order, starting from the smallest. 11%, then is 15, 2 32s, 15, 32%, 32%, then 75 3 times, 75, 75, 75, then 81 and 83. So middle one is 9 marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the median. 75% is the median. That's the end of the paper. Then I'll be doing test paper 2 on the next video.